So in this video, I'm just going to get straight to the point. Is it actually possible to get a free TradingView premium account? And the answer is actually yes. And at the same time, no. Let me explain. So the best way to get a free TradingView premium plan, without breaking the law, is to use a combination of their 30-day free trial and the $30 bonus you can get if you use a special link. So in order to get the $30 bonus as well as the 30 days of free TradingView Premium, you can either scroll down to the pinned comment of this video or look at the top of the description. When you click on the link, a pop-up window should pop up that says "Welcome to the home of Sharding Big." And here you can see that it says if you choose to get an upgraded plan, you will get up to $30 bonus. And it's very important that you see this pop up on your screen. If you don't see this pop-up window right here, you might have to use the Google Incognito mode instead of the normal browser. Or if you're using another browser, for example Internet Explorer, you might have to use the Internet Explorer Incognito. To use Incognito on Google Chrome, you basically go up here to the upper right corner and you click New Incognito tab. And you can see that an Incognito tab has opened up. But alright, so now when you have this pop-up window up, you click Explore Plans. And here you can see that we have the premium plan. The premium plan is the best TradingView plan, and you can try it for free for 30 days. And you can get up to a $30 bonus as well if you used the link correctly. But if you prefer Pro Plus or Pro, which is also very good plans in my opinion, you can try these out as well. You can only try one of the plans for 30 days. So unfortunately, legally, you can only have TradingView for free for a month and you can have the $30 bonus. But without breaking the law, there's no way to get premium for longer than that. Yeah guys, I really hope you got some value from this video. Now, if you are ready to get started with TradingView, I will make sure to link my TradingView tutorial right here. And there I go over the basics in a step-by-step manner how to get started with TradingView. For now guys, take care. Ciao, ciao.